Hey everybody, this is NCP. I found a smoking hot deal here to get these 8 terabyte drives. This is an external drive that has USB 3.0. If you note the price, it's $150, $149.99, whatever, $150. Now, if you go over here and you look at the other drives that are 8 terabyte with the same specs, basically the red is what's inside of it. It's the same drive from what I'm hearing, but they actually have different model number on there, but it's just inside, it's the same thing. So basically it's half off, and if you're doing a lot of videos like like I'm doing 4K and then editing, it takes a lot of space. So you can go ahead and pull these out of the, you can pull the hard drive out of the case, and there's videos on how to shuck it, or like shucking corn, what they call it. You can go ahead and do that and install it externally. I bought a couple of them, one for me, one for the wife. I'm going to go ahead and shuck it and put it in my computer, and then take one of my other hard drives and back up all my stuff as ISOs, and then put it back inside the case, and then put the case away, and do it that way, and put it up, storage. But it's a really neat thing. It's a really good deal, I think. Like I said, I haven't opened one up yet, but still, it's 8 terabyte. Even if it doesn't have the red label industrial drive in there, which it's supposed to, it may have the white model or the white label on it, but still the same thing. So I think you guys should get one if you need it. I'm really busy today, so this is kind of impromptu video. I just found out about it, just ordered them. That's basically it. It's about half price. It's 8 terabytes. So there you go, everybody. This is NCP. I'll put a link below to the drive. You have a good one, everybody. NCP out.